Butternut squash makes an appearance on many menus during the cooler months. And in addition to having great flavor, it pairs really well with a variety of foods. Now, butternut squash can be used chopped up into a stuffing, or you can make butternut squash the casserole dish for the stuffing. So basically stuffing it and then you can slice it down makes a great presentation, and it really doesn't require that much effort. So to begin with, I had to carefully cut the butternut squash in half lengthwise and scoop out the seeds, and then scoop out more of the flesh so that I could make a nice big channel or a holder for the stuffing. The stuffing I used uses kale, combination of mushrooms, onions, garlic, and the chopped up butternut squash. And I've used a bit of fresh sage and oregano for the seasoning. Now, to bake the squash, I'm going to use convection. So I'm going to add the squash, just put the squash on a pan and bake it in the convection mode at 340. I'm not going to cover it because when we bake in convection, we won't have as much moisture loss. So I did add a little bit of stock to the mixture before I put it into the squash, because we do need to keep that extra bit of moisture in there. Now, this type of dish is lovely for the holidays because you get the squash, you get some other vegetables, and it makes a great presentation. Sometimes when we put things into a casserole dish, by the time everybody's had a scoop, it doesn't always look that pretty. So it's just same ingredients, just a different way of doing it. Now, I did have extra ingredients, so I'm going to bake those on the side, and they can be part of the platter in the presentation. Very easy, flavorful, dare I say healthy, and delicious. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.